life is short, y'all. And you get to come back and you do something with our friends and do something that you love and then talk about something and then bring something to light.
Right.
That people are curious about that they really don't get a platform
That's
for.
right. In a positive way.
In a very
that's
positive way.
And Rhonda was very adamant about that from the beginning. When she brought it to us, she said, no, I don't want to be like talking smack about so-and-so or telling this story that's negative or whatever. And I want to really shine a positive light on professional cheerleading as a whole. And I feel like we've really strived to do that.
And I think it resonated with us because we're positive anyway.
Absolutely.
And we don't like to bring out the negative
100%.
Right.
Too,
But you get what I mean.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. And our inappropriateness is just like, no. Which is us getting crazy. Like her saying whatever you said.
Slaying and late.
Slaying and late.